Traffic might get sketchy. Got the whole gang behind us. We got Monica, Trigger back there. I don't know if you can see him or not, but back there. We are currently heading to the car wash to clean the cars up. We are going to head out to the country a little bit and do some cinematic shots and do some roll racing. We are going to be racing my stock M4 versus Austin's stock GT350, besides mid-pipe, but it's nothing too much. So probably gonna do a 50 to 130, and you guys will see that towards the end of the video to see the outcome. Go ahead and comment down below right now who you think is gonna win. This old girl in the bone stock M4 or the bone stock GT350. So we just got done shooting some cinematics here, a little small town called Bargersville. And now we are heading out to the country to do a little bit more filming, and then me and the old 350 here are going to be doing some runs. So we'll see how these two compare. Bone stock M4, GT350 with mid pipes. That's it. Bone stock, everything else. So we'll see you when we get out to the country.
We're gonna do a little friendly race between the GT350 and Ryan's M4, which is his daily. We just haven't raced them before, so we don't know what the outcome's gonna be, but we figured we'd go ahead and get it on video so you guys can watch and see how it turns out.
Try to get up to 50, past this, or up to 50.
Okay.
At the peak of this.
Okay.
Once we get over that peak, we can just go.
Do you want to honk it off?
I'll honk it.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Hang on.